convert, we can tabulate all these results. So important, okay, let me tabulate first, then we'll draw a very important conclusion which can be a shortcut to be used in order to calculate the steady state errors. So this is my here I'll consider type and here input. So for step input I have a into t power 0 into u of t. Step can be written as u of t actually, so I'm just making it as t power 0. Then I have ramp can be written as a into t power 1 into u of t, and parabolic, so parabolic can be written as a into t power 2 into u of t. So if I consider type 0 system, the steady state error for unit step input is a by 1 plus k, where k is system gain. Next, for type 1 system, the steady state error of unit ramp system is a by k, and for type 2 system it is a by k for parabolic input, and from type 3 onwards, so from type 3 onwards, this is 3, we have all zeros. So these are zeros. So this is 0, this is infinity, this is infinity, and this is infinity. Now here there is a shortcut. See, whenever if you observe step input, its t power is 0. So whenever the power of t and the type matches, then we have constant steady state error. When the type is greater than, when the input power is greater than type, it's infinity, and when the input power is less than type, then it is 0. So input power is greater than type, infinity. So let us write this. So finally the conclusion is this. So the conclusion is, if in power of input, so input power is greater than type of system, then steady state error will be infinity. If input power is equal to type, then steady state error is constant, and if input power is less than type, then it is 0. So this shortcut is very helpful in calculating in solving the gate problems. You need not remember anything, so this will help you a lot. Now let us solve a few problems on steady state error. So problems. So I have to calculate, question is I have to calculate steady state error. So find SSE. Find SSE for the system g of s is equal to 10 into s plus 1 divided by s square into s plus 2 into s plus 10, and the input is given to me is r of t is equal to 10 plus 5t plus t square by 2 into u of t. We will use the shortcut. If input power is greater than type, then the steady state error is infinity. If input power is equal to type, then the steady state error is constant. And if input power is less than type, then the steady state error are 0. So infinity, constant and zeros. Now here what we have, type 2 system. The system is of type 2. System is type 2. And we have all the three types of input here. The what we call, we have unit step here, we have ramp here, as well as we have parabolic input here. So we know that for parabolic input, the steady state error will be constant. So for type 2 system is type 2. So for type 2 system, the steady state error are constant for parabolic input only. Parabolic input. So for parabolic input only, type 2 system will give me constant. Now so we'll use that shortcut. We'll use the conclusion which we have drawn. So when for now this steady state error for 10 into u of t will be ESS is equal to, so it is the case when input power is less than type, so it is 0. Next, steady state error for 5t into u of t. So for this ESS is again 0, because again in both the cases input power is less than type. Now when SSE for t square by 2 into u of t, so in this case steady state error will be, the steady state error will be a by k, and the value of a is 1, because by default the parabolic inputs are t square by 2. So a into t square by 2, so a is 1. And what about k? So now I have to calculate the value of k. K is system gain in time constant form. So if you calculate the value of k, so before calculating this I need to get the value of k. So if I convert this into time constant form, so in time constant form g of s can be written as 10 into 1 plus s divided by, so I'll take 2 and 10 common from the denominator, 2 into s square into 1 plus s by 2 into 1 plus s by 10. So 1 by 2. So k is 1 by 2 in this case. So k is equal to 1 by 2 and ESS is equal to 1 by, so let me consider this as ESS 1, this as ESS 2 and this as ESS 3. So ESS 3 will be equal to 1 by 2, which comes out to be 2. So therefore total ESS will be ESS 1 plus ESS 2 plus ESS 3, and it is equal to 2. So the total steady state error is 2. So in this way we can find the steady state error from the given problems. Let me consider few more problems. So the next okay, let us consider this problem, that the open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is G of S is equal to K by S into S plus 1 into S plus 2. Now determine K to get ESS is equal to 0.1. This is the question. So the question here is, I have to determine the value of K so that the steady state error is equal to 0.1 for unit ramp input. So for unit ramp input, the steady state error, now we have unit ramp input, and the unit ramp input, the power of T is 1, T power 1. So input power is 1, as well as the system is type 1. So therefore the steady state error ESS will be A by K. Now since it is unit ramp, so A value is 1, so 1 by K, and K can be obtained by converting this into steady state in the time constant form. So in the time constant form, G of S can be written as, so G of S is equal to K by 2 into S into 1 plus S plus 1 plus S by 2. So therefore the K, actually the system gain is K by 2 here. So just to avoid confusion, what I'll do is I'll make it as K1, so that you will not get confused. So here the system gain K is K1 by 2. If I substitute here, I'll get ESS is equal to 2 by K1, and it should be equal to 0.1. So what should be the value of K1? So from here we will get K1 is equal to 20. So when K1 equal to 20, we will get the steady state error as 0.1. Next, okay, we'll take this problem and then we will move on to the next topic. This is the last problem of this topic. So here the steady state error, so here a closed loop transfer function is given. Closed loop transfer function C of S by R of S is equal to 2s plus 10 divided by s cube plus 6s square plus 6s square plus 6s plus 10, suppose. So this is the C of S by R of S given to me in the problem. Now the question is, the ESS to the unit parabolic input is, the steady state error for unit parabolic input is, okay. Now to calculate steady state error, I must know the value of G of S, because steady state errors are calculated from G of S. So now we have already studied in the earlier that if closed loop transfer function is given to me, I can calculate G of S from it. Also it is given that it is unity feedback system. So unity feedback system. So when it is unity feedback system, what you have to do is to calculate open loop transfer function G of S from C of S by R of S, you just need to bring this numerator in the and subtract. You need to subtract numerator from denominator. So you will get 2s plus 10 divided by s cube plus 6s square. If you subtract 2s from 6s, you will left with plus 4s. That's it. 10 will get cancel each other. So now this is 2s plus 10 divided by s into s square plus 6s plus 4. Now it is a type 1 system. So it is a type 1 system, and for type 1 system and unique parabolic, so input power is 2 and it is greater than the type, which is 1. So therefore the steady state error is equal to infinity. So whenever input power is greater than type, the steady state error will be infinity. Okay, we have one more problem over here. Okay, this is very important actually. So let me take this. The question is that f of s is given as omega by s square plus omega square, and it is being asked that the final value of f of t is. I have to calculate the final value of f of t. So the final value can be calculated by, so now in this case, if you observe this, this is sine. F of s is omega by s square plus omega square, and if you take its inverse Laplace, you will get sine omega t. So it is sine omega t. And for sine and cos terms, you can never apply final value theorem. So the thing is, never apply final value theorem for sine or cos terms, because they oscillate and they maintain their value. So you cannot determine this value. So in this case, final value is indeterminate. We cannot determine the final value. So with this we finish time.